Hey, thank you for checking out this video for SendIt, the automatic text messaging software. Today we are going to show you how to import multiple automated SMSs at one time. So from your admin dashboard, you're going to click on Imports. You're going to click on the Import Schedules. This will allow you to upload a CSV template and file with information on future SMSs that you want to schedule. So once I go to download CSV, it's literally going to click the download CSV template right here on the top right hand side. Once it's opened up, I will show you what it looks like, and then I will show you a template that has already been filled out. So in Excel, it's going to come out just a couple pieces of information that do need to be filled out. And the first one is the date. So you need to put the date in this format, 2, 2, and 4. So let's just pretend we're going to do one for going out on the 31st, 2024. And this is the time. It will be in military time. So let's just say we want this to go out at 1 o'clock p.m. So that's 1300 hours. You choose your time zone. Pacific Central, we'll do Eastern in this example. The from number, this is the most important thing. You would want your from number to be your RingCentral number that you want the text message to come from. So in ours, this is our number here. And then this is the phone number you would want the recipient, who's going to receive this message. So we'll pretend we are in California. Okay, and then this is going to be your message that you want to send out. So, hi, Happy New Year, the rest of the message. And then you can literally copy and paste. And all you would have to change is the date, time, and phone number or message you would want to go to. So now I'm going to show you a message or a CSV template that I've already created. Okay, so this is going to schedule to go out on the 29th of December at 5:48 p.m. from our RingCentral number to all these individual clients. And then this is just our message. Thanks for reaching out about your home and how we can help you sell it as soon as possible. So once we've saved that, I am going to now go back to my RingCentral account. Okay. And I am going to, you can either drag or drop the file that you want to import, or you want to select the file, which is what I'm going to do. A window will pop up. So now once I've uploaded that file here, you're going to have a green check mark that makes us identify that, hey, we've got the file ready to go. We click on next. Okay. And then if you forget everything I'm saying, the directions are literally right here. Every single step under format your file and then upload your file. So once we've done that, this is going to show us a screen of all the SMSs that are going to go out. So as you can see here, we have 8 text messages scheduled to go out on the 29th at 5:48 p.m. Eastern time from our RingCentral number to our individual recipients. So if you have 50 or 100, it's going to be here. There is a capacity of up to 200 kilobytes that you will need in order to, the file cannot be larger than 200 kilobytes. So just be aware of that. Once you hit that, you click on next, and it's telling you, hey, we have 8 importers. It's 8 SMSs scheduled to import. Are you ready? And once I click submit, ready to submit, you're going to get a green check mark, and it's going to say import complete with the green check mark. And then I can go one or two ways. I can go back to my schedule calendar, see those SMSs that we just imported, or right here, simply just on the middle of the screen, just hyperlink the calendar button. And then when I go, my window will pop up with my calendar. And I'm actually going to offset this to the 29th. And then here goes all my text messages that I have scheduled. So let me just go on a day view here to make it a little bit easier. So as you can see here at 5:48 on the 29th of December, we are sending out 8 SMSs to our potential clients. So if you have any questions, and here's the message right here. If you have any questions or need anything else, please reach out to us. Click to schedule a demo or just send us a support ticket. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And remember, no one answers the phone. Always send text messages. Use SendIt.com.